Hello everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2015 Hyundai Tucson. This four-door all-wheel drive SUV comes with projection style headlights and fog lights. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This SUV comes on a set of Goodyear all-season tires on 17-inch rims. This SUV comes with a key fob that will lock and unlock your vehicle, as well as there's a panic button, and it does come with an aftermarket command start. Do want to point out here at the top, it does have roof racks already installed in it. Makes it easy to strap down any extra cargo that you might have. Alright, having a look here at the driver's side door panel, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. It does have storage in the door as well. Having a look inside, you see that it does have a combination of cloth and black leather seating. And this is throughout the entire vehicle. Alright, we are now inside. Let's start her up. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a 2015. It has 73,261 kilometers on it. Backing up here and having a look at the steering wheel, we have volume control. We have radio station control here. You can flip through different radio stations. Mode is going to be flipping between Bluetooth, CD player, Sirius XM, that sort of thing. We do have Bluetooth hands-free talk for your phone. We do have cruise control over here on this part, and then we have our trip button down here. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, we have brightness control, wheel lock, and overdrive. This toggle here, you are able to set it to auto. You are able to set your headlights to auto if you so choose. And then that toggle there controls the wipers. Having a look over here at the entertainment console, you see that at the top it does have a CD player. It does have Bluetooth, as I mentioned, and it does have Sirius XM capabilities. You are able to hook up your phone or to talk or to listen to your music. We have 6 preset buttons here. You can switch between AM and FM radio. We have your power volume button here, as well as your tuning dial over here. You have active eco here, as well as traction control. You can turn that off. As I said, this is an all-wheel drive SUV. And moving down here, this is the heating and cooling section of the vehicle. We have the AC on right now because it is very warm outside. This controls the speed of the air, where the air hits you on your body, and the temperature over here. As you can see, we do have heated front seats for your driver and passenger. In front of the gear shift there, you see it does have two 12-volt outlets. Trying to get it to focus here. There we go. An auxiliary jack and a USB. We have a gear shift here, as I mentioned, 6-speed automatic transmission. We have some storage up here. Here we have 2 cup holders. We have the center armrest here. And inside we have plenty of storage for you to use. Alright, so as we are going to the ceiling of this vehicle, I do want to point out, so this SUV does come equipped with a backup camera, but it is in a cool location up here at the rear view mirror. So when you look in the rear view mirror to look behind you, you can also see on the ground behind you, which is a really nice feature. As we go up here, we have a sunglasses holder. We have push interior lights. We do have 2 sunroofs in this one. I'm going to show you the front seat one and then the back. So this is the front. Controls are right here. Going to open it up. So the front one will be the one that opens, and I will show you the back one when we go look at the back seat. Alright, here we are coming to the back of this SUV. Having a look at the door, you see that it does have power windows. It also has heated seats in the back here for your backseat passengers, which is very nice. We have some storage here in the door. We have the vinyl kick plate here. We have the knee indents for any tall backseat passengers. And we also have a document/map holder here. And the same goes for on the back of the passenger seat. We do have air vents here for your passengers, as well as in the front and the back we have rubber mats, for floor mats. It does also come with a set of cloth floor mats, and I will show you that in just a moment. So as I mentioned, beautiful black leather and cloth seating throughout. And we do have the raised center armrest, which is really nice. It comes with 2 cup holders for your passengers. And then I am going to show you how to fold down your back seats. So this one is going to be a lever up here at the top by the headrest. So we're going to pull up on that, and you're going to pull forward and slide your seat forward. Seat belt will fit nicely in here, just kind of out of the way. There we go. Seat is down. 60-40 split for these seats going down. So you can set them in any configuration if you need 2 passengers back here, or just 1, or none at all. Let's go have a look at the back. Before we have a look at the back, I did mention there is a sunroof back here. Now this one doesn't open, but it is nice in case you guys are out on a drive at night and the kids want to have a look at the stars or something along those lines. Very cool. Alright, so we are coming around to the back of this 2015 Hyundai Tucson. I'm just going to reach under here, lift up on that. Let's have a look at the back cargo area. Tons of cargo room. I did put down the other back seats so you can get a full idea. As I mentioned, you do get a set of cloth floor mats as well. You have a 12-volt outlet there. We have an interior light, which is handy at night. We have some tie-down holders right here and here in case you need to tie down any loose objects. There's some storage in here for you. It does come with a handy pants protector, as I like to call it. It will protect your pants from getting dirty or wet. I'm going to pull up on this toggle here, and as you can see inside is the spare tire as well as the jack. There's extra storage back here, under here, in case you need to store anything and keep it out of sight, out of mind. Alright, so I would like to thank you for coming for this vehicle walk around with us on this 2015 Hyundai Tucson. It does have a lot of really nice features on it. This Tucson is located here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Come on down, take it for a test drive. Confident you'll love it. If you have any other questions, one of our sales associates would be happy to answer those for you. Come on down, test drive it, and we'll see you soon.